No matter what industry you are in, this video will show you one thing. A peer is already using AI to do what you do, faster, cheaper, and better. Not in a lab, not in a pilot, in production, at scale, with measurable results. The only question is whether you are next or whether you are late. In healthcare, AI now reads medical imaging at 94% accuracy. Human doctors average 88%. Moderna used AI to design the COVID-19 mRNA vaccine sequence in 2 days. That process previously took years. Google DeepMind solved a 50-year-old problem in protein folding, unlocking drug discovery that affects treatment for 200 million people. AI is not assisting healthcare, it is reshaping what is medically possible. In software development, AI is compressing timelines that used to take months. GitHub Copilot was studied by Harvard and GitHub. Developers completed tasks 55.8% faster when using it. Goldman Sachs deployed AI coding tools across more than 10,000 engineers and reported a 40% reduction in time spent on routine development work. Gartner predicts 50% of new enterprise code will be AI generated by 2027. Your development team is either using this today or they are slower than their competition. In finance, JP Morgan built a system called COIN. It reviews 12,000 commercial credit agreements in seconds. That same work previously required 360,000 lawyer hours every year. HSBC uses AI to catch $17 billion in fraud annually, with 60% fewer false positives than before. These are not small efficiency gains, these are fundamental shifts in what a finance operation can do. Walmart used AI demand forecasting to cut food waste by 20% and push in stock rates above 95%. Every percentage point there is worth hundreds of millions in revenue. In manufacturing, Siemens reduced unplanned equipment downtime by 20% using predictive maintenance AI. Machines now signal when they are about to fail before they do. In e-commerce, AI is the engine behind revenue growth. Amazon attributes 35% of its total revenue to its AI recommendation engine. That is not a feature, that is a core business driver. Shopify merchants using AI-powered personalization see conversion rates increase by up to 30%, and returns, one of the costliest problems in online retail, are being cut by AI sizing and fit tools that predict what customers will actually keep. Every step of the online purchase journey is now an AI optimization problem. In professional services, law firms using AI for document review are completing due diligence in hours, work that previously took weeks. Air India deployed an AI assistant that now resolves 42% of customer queries without any human involvement. Response time dropped from 4 hours to under 2 minutes. These gains are not coming from hiring more people. They are coming from deploying smarter systems. In education, Duolingo grew from 40 million to 90 million daily active users in just 18 months, not through advertising, through AI personalization that made the product dramatically more effective for every individual learner. That is more than a growth story. It is proof that AI can transform user outcomes at scale in any industry that delivers a service to people. In transportation and logistics, UPS built an AI routing system called ORION. It optimizes delivery routes in real time across 55,000 drivers. The result? 100 million fewer miles driven every year, saving over $300 million annually. DHL uses AI to predict shipment delays before they happen and reroute automatically. In an industry where a 1 hour delay costs real money, AI is now the difference between margin and loss. Every result you just saw came from executives who decided to move. None of it was an accident. None of it required being a technology company. AI is already in your industry. The only question left is whether you are leading the adoption or watching someone else do it first. That decision starts this week.